Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just bought this new house with the money that we got from the bank. Wait. Oh no guys, that's the police again! What the? Run, Jamie! Guys, I think he's got me. Guys, he's got me for real this time. Ow. He told me to go in the police car. Okay. Oh man. Oh guys. Ooh. Ow. So guys, I got caught by the police. And this time we're actually going to jail. This is bad, guys. What the hell? Let's go. Oh my. Guys, we got caught. But we need to find a way how to escape prison. I didn't say anything, cop. Okay, guys, we're at the jail now. Guess we have to go in. Okay, so let's get me in the cell already. Okay. Close the door. Okay, guys. Wait, what's this button? It says escape. Guys, we can escape. Oh, whoa, guys, what's this? I should close that. Oh. And I think he's coming. Okay. Where did he go? Oh. Guys, we got the helicopter. Go up. Oh, guys, we need to go. Dun. Guys, I heard. Guys, let's just go back to our house that we were last time. Wait, was it down here? I think it was. Yeah, this is my house, I think, guys. So let's land in it on the roof. Let's get out of here. I should just. Guys. Okay, guys, we're out of the helicopter. Oh, wait. That's him! Run, guys! Run! Whoa. Oh, guys. Boom! Get in the pool. Run. Get in the pool. Run. I think he's in my house. Guys. Let's get the mouse, guys. Oh. I should lock all of the doors. I know. Door is locked. Oh, I think he do. Lock this door. Okay. I think we're safe now, guys. Wait, are we? Wait. What's that sound? Let's go check. Is it up here? Guys. Oh, I forgot my guns. Oh, let me get them, guys. Ooh. If anyone comes, I'm gonna shoot. Anyone comes, I'm shooting. Come out, wherever you are. I'm coming for you. Is this chicken? Whoa. Ah! There's a police, guys! Run! Run! Dun 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 dun. Run! Run, guys! Get in the helicopter! Run! Dun 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 dun. Oh! Oh! Ah! My helicopter's crashing! Ah! Okay.
Where is he?
Oh, who, cop?
What? The bank is broke?
Go, 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 go! Dun, 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 dun. Ah! Run! Run, guys! What the flip? Run! We got the money. Run, guys. Run. Actually. Run. Dun, 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 dun. Guys. Okay. 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 Oh. Oh, guys. Close. What the hell? Wait, stop! No! Ah! He did something! Oh. Ah. Please, don't arrest me. It's been so... Oh no, guys, I have to go in. He's got his lights on. Guys, the thing I have to do is escape again. Didn't hear that, cop, right? Did you hear that? Oh, he didn't hear that. Whatever. Okay. You know the rule. Let's just go to jail already. Let's close my cell. Oh, he did definitely not see the thing. Sorry, cop, you can go now. Have your lunch break.
Where did you go?
Guys, I escaped again.
Why is there a button that says escape?
Go! Ah! Dun 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 dun. Oh, guys, let's go to the mountain. Ooh! Dun 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 dun. Go! Dun 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 dun. Ah! Boom! Dun dun dun. No, my helicopter, guys. The only way I have to get it is go down the waterfall. Ah! Boom! Swim to the helicopter, swim. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. You'll never catch me, cop. Okay, guys, I'm going back into jail like nothing happened, and then you never saw what happened. Oh, let me quickly get in, guys. Then he might think it's just a fake thing that happened. Let me quickly. Ooh. I'm here, guys, like nothing ever happened.
Okay, maybe I was just dreaming that he escaped.
Oh, you woke me up.
Now that you're awake, come put your outfit on.
Oh. Great, I have to wear this orange dumb outfit. Guys.
Now take it and it's time to play.
Oh, yes, finally. Freedom, guys. Okay,
But
you can go.
I need to stay with you because I do not trust you.
Why do you not trust me?
Because you escaped the last time.
Okay. But now, time to shoot. Guys, escape. Oh, go, 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 dun, 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 dun. Gibbity bom bom bom, yes, yes, yes. Ah. Whoa! Dun 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 dun. Guys, last time Tiny Vehicle worked, so I'm use Tiny Vehicle again. Where's Tiny Vehicle? Tiny Tines, where are you? Hey guys, where's Tiny Vehicle? There's Tiny Vehicle. Tiny car. Okay, let's go, guys. Yeah! How are we gonna get out, guys? Okay. I'll use helicopter again. Nah, bro. We using trucks? Will that be okay? Oh, he might not see me in the truck, guys, and might think I'm just a random person. That's the plan. Plan. Ow! 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 That hurt it. Okay, I'm gonna act. Let's get all. Then let's get the another tiny vehicle. Okay, guys. Oh! Wait. Is the cop coming for us? Ooh. Guys. Toxic man. Goo goo gaga! Should act like a baby, guys. Goo goo gaga toy call! Woohoo! Okay, guys, let's go to the airport. Goo goo gaga! Goo goo gaga! Goo goo gaga! Ooh, what's this? Alarm has just happened at the airport. Someone went through with a gun. And his name is Jamie Game 7. Oh guys, that's me. I should run. He's activate ticket to enter, guys.
You buy a ticket to go on the aeroplane.
Ooh, I think he just found it out. Ooh. Delta Sigma. What's the plane, guys? And when's our plane? It's already night.
I need to be security at the airport.
Yes, sir, guys. King. How's he not seeing me? Is this dude blind or something? Okay, guys. I'm dressed up as a totally different person, so he won't know it's me. And will. Just waiting for my flight.
That different person looks like that robber.
Oh. You know the... Oh,
And he has the same name.
come
as the
on
robber.
board. Police, why are you pointing a gun at me?
Fine, you're safe.
Yes, guys, the plan worked. Oh, where are we going? Wanna be mine? Wanna be my boyfriend? Wait, what about we? Oh, out of fly. No? Gay means boy kissing boy and girl kissing girl. We're not girl kissing girl or boy kissing boy. Hee hee. Okay, let's just go on this amazing flight.
We're arriving in 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Where are we?
We have arrived.
Oh, can we get off? Ah! Ah! What the hell? Guys, the plan actually worked. Faking a person. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's go back. Should we? Should I hide all of my...
Ooh, Paradise Island is so nice. I'm gonna go get my hotel.
It will? Guys, I'm dressed up as another person, and he'll never know who I am. Who I am. Meow, 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 meow. Luminous. Yes, guys, you'll never know who I am. I'm the richest person in town. Okay, guys, let's get this dumb prison pants off. I don't have any pants. What the hell? I need my outerwear. No, I'm not talking about underwear, right? Oh, you have to not. Yes, sir. Dun 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 dun. Hello guys, my name is Jamie. Ooh, ooh, and I can do a backflip. Yeah, yeah, and I can show my muscles. Okay guys, let's actually go back to my Wait, how do we go back to my normal avatar? Do we take all of this off? Wait, does that mean we will be be naked after that. Ooh. Do I look cute? Buddy, ooh. Ooh, ooh. I'm a distant. Everybody know. Poop. Poop. Body. Just. Car. I'll be this guy, guys. I'll be fatty. Equip all. No, I want to be this guy. What the frick? Yes.
This one comes first, man.
Pretending you was the only person in the world who was red, and you saw someone with red, so you knew it was me. Ah, guys. What a nice. No. Oh. Hey, guys. I'm the only person in the world who's red. I know that. We know that. Oh, yeah.
What is you? I think I just heard something. Where is that wanted criminal? I thought he came on this flight. I thought he went on this flight.
Hitting the goodie, yo. Whoople Gangnam Style.
Look,
Because night, morning. I mean. Ah. Gangnam Style.
no. I hear a party from here. There's a party in the club. And what I understand my career is that lots of criminals have parties.
Guys, did you just hear that? That sounds bad. If you did hear him, comment down below because we're having a party of all time, but the vote announcement. Jamie the criminal had disguised as a red person at the party with a top on.
I still have to wait for my flight to arrive.
He is one of the most wanted criminals in the world. So, if there's any person, policeman, try catch them. Okay, guys, right now we're locating where he is. Okay, snap received. What did he say? Who said that? Wait, who sent that? New snap. Wait, that's the police guys. Remember him? Oh my. This is what Jamie. This is not Jamie. What's happening? Okay. Will he receive it? Snap. Whoa, attention. He is at the club. He has a red face and he said to someone, I am not Jamie ... So if you got said that, go to the club right now and catch him. Guys, that doesn't sound good. I'll act like someone else, like a cat.
I'm still waiting for my
Okay, I'm gonna send this to everyone.
I'm still waiting for my flight to run.
Attention. We are saying Max. Right now, Max, Alex the officer, you must come to the club.
Okay, but I'm on Paradise Island. I need to get on my flight and then go to the club.
Okay, guys. Plan. You're gonna kill him. Yes, sir. How can he hear, guys? Okay. I didn't know that. At least my helicopter. At least we're gonna go to Paradise Island. I don't think. Wait, are they at Paradise Island? I don't remember, but I'm still going there.
I'm going to Paradise Island.
Okay. So,
I'm on the plane.
ooh, guys, we can get some tickets. Wait, this is a VIP lounge. Oh, that costs Robux. I need Robux. Okay, let's wait for the next flight to go to Paradise Island. Island. And guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Part 3 coming soon.